But to think, 400 to 700 years ago, these petroglyphs were made. Wow, isn't that cool? We've made it to Enchanted Trails RV Park here in Albuquerque, and just going to show you the levelers that we use here. Have these neat little levelers here, and you've got your rubber pads here that you have to put down when the levelers go in. We're going to back up onto these. Go ahead and put it in here. Once we get them on, these are the chocks here that will go on to the other side. Look at that. And there you have it. We're level. Of course, I'm using my Levelmate Pro, which really helps, and we really enjoy having that. We are all set up here at Enchanted Trails. This is a nice park. And one of the cool things they have here is you can rent a classic trailer. I'm gonna walk over here and show you. They've got some really cool classic trailers you can rent here. As you can see behind me here, I'll just make a circle here. You can see these cute little trailers they have, and a couple of classic cars here too is pretty cool. But look at that. Wow. Isn't that cool? This one over here, this one's got an air conditioner on top. Wow. The old Hudson. 1963 Winnebago Dot. Isn't that cool? And then they've got a big long one back here. That looks like it was from the movie Long Long Trailer. A 1959 Spartan Flossie. Wow. Isn't that just gorgeous? That one's also got an air conditioner up on top. And we've got another one over here too. That old Hudson. Woo! Isn't that thing something? Wow, a Silver Streak. 1974 Silver Streak Della. Isn't that just gorgeous? Wow. Yep. Pretty cool that they have these here for you to rent. This one is a 1956 Yellowstone Geneva. There you have it. A little fun thing out here outside of Albuquerque. Little trailers you can rent. Petroglyphs National Monument. This is one of 4 trails that we're going to go on today. This is the Boca Negra Trail. It's the easy one for us old folks. And it's about a 1 mile round trip here, I think. And it's mostly sandy path. They do have some stairs you're going to climb, some concrete steps. Yeah, so here we are. It's early. It's a beautiful morning so far. It's not too hot. So let's get started. There's something burrowing here. I am going rather slow because I am watching for snakes. It's probably a good morning for them to be out, but it's a nice morning. There's all kinds of little tracks out here of critters that have been hopping around out here. So we'll see if we see any snakes today.
Yep, there you go.
Okay, we're on the Mesa Trail here going up to the top. We're only going up a short distance, but to think, 400 to 700 years ago, these petroglyphs were made. Part of the trail is a wooden walkway, so this is kind of nice. They do provide these little rest stops here along the way. The little benches and a seat. There's restrooms here at this one. Let's go over here. I see some more petroglyphs up here on the rocks. And there are some petroglyphs further up the hill. Probably can't see that one right there. I don't know, it's right, can't even tell where I'm pointing here. Right up there. And here's a few petroglyphs that are pretty faded here. Amazing how faded they become over time. There's one hair of a horse, it looks like. Yeah, I guess you can see it. There's something else over here. I don't know if this camera will pick it up or not. There's some up here on these rocks too. Can't really see them. And here we come to the end of the Boca Negra trail here. Going back to the parking area. leave all this beauty behind. I came with my son Jeremy down here to the Hertz sales lot here where they're selling Hertz. He bought himself a 2019 Camero from Hertz. He's getting rid of his old Toyota. There it is. Here's the old car. Goodbye to the Toyota. 251,000 miles on it. And here's the new Camero he's getting, all black. Look at this. Check it out. Woo! Wow. Yep, looks like a car engine. We are here at my son Jeremy's house. We're gonna be taking a dip in the pool and just relaxing today. He's got a nice covered area here with a barbecue, and we're gonna do a fire pit and s'mores tonight. Just a really nice backyard he's got here with the pool and a covered patio. So we're gonna be relaxing. Woohoo!